my dog. I think she's a lap dog. So she's in my lap watching. This is one of those videos that is made for a dog to see on YouTube. So she's watching a little squirrel come around. She loves chasing animals, and we got a highway, animal highway on our property, and she wants to go down there, but it's through bushes and goes down to the train tracks, and she just about knocks over my grill every time she goes down there. Don't you, Cinnamon? Cinnamon? Hi, don't you? Hi. I thought this would help her, like, with the... Just calm down a little bit and just... I don't have a fenced yard.